Welcome, in front of me is a Huawei Mate 40 Pro, and today I will show you how to copy contacts from a SIM card to the device. So to get started, you want to open up either the dialer or the contacts app, whichever one is easier for you. From there, choose either the contacts if you went through dialer, or if you went through contacts application, you should already see it. And then you want to tap on three dots, go to settings, and in here you'll find the import export option. Once you tap on it, it gives you option to import from SIM card. And in here you'll have all the contacts that are on that SIM card. So from here you can select individually each contact that you want to import, or you can just tap on select all and then choose import, tap on the phone, and there we go, contacts have been imported. Now if I go back, you should see that they are doubled because we have the contacts that are on the SIM card and also the ones that we have imported to the phone, so there are two of them now. But once you remove a SIM card, those with the SIM icon, as you can see right here, here, will just simply disappear from here. But that is how you would import contacts. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.